could stay like this, forever following you.
What is up, you guys? Good morning. Well, at least right now when I'm filming this, it is the morning. I had to wake up like 2 hours before just to film this. But yeah, today I wanted to just do a chill video. I wanted to do something that I did before, which is a get ready with me. I don't really have that much productive things to do today. Other than I'm actually going to church this morning, and afterwards probably have lunch with my family, and also later on I'm going to have my second tattoo session. So we're gonna get more into that later, and yeah, let's begin with the video. My last get ready with me, I think I filmed it almost a year ago. And I really enjoyed filming it, but I don't know why I never did one again. I'm also quite insecure with uploading a makeup video, just because I think that I'm not really, I don't know, the best in putting makeup. I don't know, it's just a personal insecurity thing. So I'll start off with the primer. I'm gonna begin with the Too Faced Hangover primer. I bought this in Hong Kong a few months ago, and you know, I've heard a lot of reviews that it was good, it wasn't the best, like a lot of mixed reviews. I gotta say, it's not my favorite primer. I think it doesn't work well with my skin. It's very humid in Macau right now, and my skin doesn't really work well with humidity. I tend to oil up a lot. I also sweat a lot, so that's why I kind of stopped putting on makeup for about 2 months. Only yesterday did I put on the full face of makeup again, and that's why I'm doing this video, because I miss putting on makeup. So yeah, I won't go in with a heavy foundation. Instead, I'm going to use my NARS Tinted Instead, I'm using my NARS Tinted Moisturizer, and this one is in Groenland. Also, look at my cute little sponge. This one is the Adventure Time and Miniso collab. I don't care what anyone says, Miniso BB blenders are the best that works for me. Also, I'm in the current like blue addiction right now for summer. I don't know, blue is like my summer color this year. So yeah, I'm getting my second tattoo today, and I'm sort of excited because this tattoo artist in specific, I actually saw her on Instagram and I fell in love with her work. I think like most of us, we have, you know, we're very picky when it comes to things permanent like tattoos. I have a specific style that I want, and I feel like her style is, I don't know, the best that I've seen for a lot of tattoo ideas I have for myself. Her name is Carly. I'm gonna leave her Instagram handle here just so you could check her work as well, and it might actually give it away why I'm so excited. So moving on to concealer, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. This one is in shade Neutralizer. My eyes are tearing. I didn't have enough sleep. I was watching anime until like 4:30 a.m. and then I had to wake up at like 7, but ended up waking at 8. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of contour, and as usual, I'm using my Makeup Forever HD Ultra Stick. We went swimming for Father's Day about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and boy did I get dark. Like, I'm normally tan skin already, but during that swimming time, we were basically in the sun during the afternoon, and I just got like at least 3 times darker than my usual, which I don't hate because I love getting tanner. And as usual for my nose, I'm using the Colourpop Contour Stix. Oh, this one is a new Renaissance. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade, and this one is, I think, the darkest shade. This is in Ebony. I love using brow pomades. I think it's my favorite way of applying eyebrows. My favorite brow pomade is definitely the Ka-Brow Brow Gel from Benefit Cosmetics. So what have you guys been up to recently? This year for me is the most adulting that I've done ever in my life. I graduated college 3 years ago, but I was still, I guess, in learning stage after that. And this year is the year where I started saving a big lump of money. I started thinking about what my future, how me and Adrian's future would be. Only now am I feeling the stress, and I'm like already 25 years old. I at least try my very best to, you know, stay on track, have a clear vision and where I want to be in like the next, I don't know, 5-10 years. Also, I've been very focused with my health. I was never a sporty person, but I was the type of person who would always move, because in high school I used to dance a lot. I used to join a lot of like performances. So I have been a person who's been working out for a long time. Since January this year, I actually went back to the gym. A part of it was me wanting to look thinner again, wanting to like fit my clothes better again. It's more like I feel so unhealthy and I want to, you know, feel okay again. So camera just died. But yeah, I just powdered my face with the NYX Cosmetics HD finishing powder. I like this because it makes me really matte. And now I'm moving on to the Etude House Dream On powder, and I'm just going to bake under my eyes because we're working with a little bit of color, actually a lot of color today. So I'm gonna let that bake while I do my eye makeup, and also this would catch any of the fallout because I'm working with a lot of blues. So moving on to a palette that I've never used in my channel before, but I've always wanted to. So this is the Alien palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I was so excited when I saw him launch this. I finally got it! I always want to start with a base, and we're gonna go with this color called Titan. I'm just going to apply this all over the lids. And now we're moving on to a Super Shock shadow from Colourpop Cosmetics. This one is in Snapdragon. I'm just going to dust this on the crease. Going back to the Alien palette, I'm going to use this green color called Flying Saucer. I'm going to apply this on the outer crease and also the inner crease. Actually, I'm just going to apply it to the whole lid. Yeah. We're gonna get a smaller tapered brush, and I'm actually gonna do a halo eye. I always do cut creases because personally I like how cut creases look on my eye. So I'm not really sure how this is gonna look, but hopefully it turns out great. So again, I'm taking a little bit of the concealer, applying it on the brush. I'm just gonna apply this on the middle. We're going to use another Super Shock shadow from Colourpop Cosmetics, and this one goes beautifully with Snapdragon. This one is called Banana Daiquiri. So I'm gonna spritz the brush a bit, and this one is gonna make the color hopefully pop even more. Now we're gonna go back into the shade Flying Saucer, and we're just gonna blend all the colors together. I'm using another Super Shock shadow. This one is in Sugar. And I'm going to focus this on the middle where I originally put the color Banana Daiquiri. What's this again? So now I'm going again to a little bit Flying Saucer. And I'm just going to apply this at the waterline. For the inner corner, I'm actually going to this shade called Pluto. It's a very nice, how do you say it, moonstone color? I don't even know how to explain the color, but it's a very nice. Now I'm just gonna put on lashes and a little bit of liner and mascara. I'll get back to you. I'm actually in a bit of a hurry as well, so I can't really film the whole thing. So yeah, see you in a while. So yeah, I use my Majolica Lash Expander mascara, and then I use my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner. And also in the waterline, I added the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner. This one is in color DTLA. So for blush, I'm using this this Heme. I don't even know how you say that. Heme blush. This is the Pure Cheek color in number 6. It's called Toasted Nut. It's actually very cheap too. It's a drugstore brand. I don't know if it's a local Taiwanese brand, but it just gives me enough flush that I want, enough color, and it also matches my tan really well. Now I'm going to use my, it's nearly hit pan already. I'm going to use my Rimmel London Sun Bronze Bronzer, and this one is in color Sun Bronze. We're gonna move on with the highlighter, and lately with the whole natural summer look, I am enjoying this Becca highlighter. First Becca highlighter was in the color Opal, which is I think my favorite one, and then my sister bought me this one from, I think from Paris, and this shade is in Moonstone. So it's sort of like the Opal, but it's more to like yellowish to warm tones. So this is a way that I like to put my highlight that I realize not a lot of people like doing, but I actually like using this bigger brush. I feel like this applies it in a way that it makes it look natural. Oh my god. Yeah, for the nose highlight, I like using a smaller brush. Also on the Cupid's bow. And just cause I'm so extra, I actually will go on with a second highlight. And this is from Fenty Beauty. This is called Diamond Bomb. This is the Diamond Bomb highlighter, and this shade is in How Many Carats. But it just really like adds to your highlight if you want like a little bit more poof. And I like highlighting my face as if I look plastic already, so yeah. Okay, we're going on to the last step. I'm actually running a bit late. So I'm using my Kiss Proof. This one is a number, I don't even know, I think this is a number 6. It's so like rubbed off already. I actually had a full video on my Kiss Proof swatches. And because this is so dry and matte, I'm actually going to use a lip gloss. This one is from the Victoria's Secret beauty line. This is their Metallic Glow in shade Rose Gold. yeah, we're just gonna spray her down. Oh, ooh. My look is complete. Gonna fan this down. Let everything set together. Yeah, so I'm now just gonna fix up and then I'm gonna be showing you the rest of my day. So yeah, enjoy that. I did it! So pretty. I'll probably post it on Instagram, like if it's fully healed. Thank you, baby. Yeah. It's his gift to me. Thank you, babe. So that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed my get ready with me. I hope that you enjoyed that little vlog moment where I showed you throughout my day. I hope you enjoyed this little chit chat we had. I actually really do enjoy filming get ready with me instead of like doing actual makeup tutorials. I don't know why. But yeah, if you want me to do more of these videos, oh, and if you like this mermaid inspired summer look, I'm actually very happy with how it turned out. So if you like this video and you like my look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more of my videos, and I hope that you have a wonderful day ahead of you. And yeah, I guess that's it for me. I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.